Why is air invisible? Air does affect light, but not much, so it seems invisible. First reason is that the average air molecule is about 1 nanometer across, while light waves are on the order of 500 nanometers across. Hence, light continues its way not being affected. Another reason is that atoms are widely spaced where light passes through, since it has a small chance of interacting with air. However, if there is a lot of air, light can affect molecules in a phenomenon called scattering. Later we will discuss it in the question, why is the sky blue?